Hello everyone, welcome to our channel for life-saving hack. Now, I am your favorite host, Francisco, and today's discussion is based on how to enable, disable, and change Safari location in simple steps. So because we're enabling Safari location helps you find nearby restaurants, exactly there are going to be many privacy concerns, making it essential to disable location. So if you are in a similar situation, watch this video and follow the respective steps. But before moving ahead, subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for the latest updates. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. How to enable disable Safari location on iPhone. If we begin our journey by enabling or disabling Safari location, let us remind you that enabling it on your iPhone is crucial for browsing your current location on maps and finding nearby stores, hostels, and food points. Similarly, disabling it would prevent annoying pop-up notifications based on your location and save your iPhone from battery drainage. So watch these steps and learn to enable or disable your iPhone's Safari location based on your concern. Access the home screen of your iPhone and go to its settings app. There, just scroll down until you find the privacy and security option. Tap on it and choose location services from the next screen. The location services option will then direct you to another screen where you need to swipe and locate the Safari website's option in order to proceed. To enable location, touch the while using the app, and to disable it, press the never option there. Part 2. How to prevent Safari from asking for your location on iPhone. If you have allowed Safari to ask for your location while using the app, it's not a good idea because you will again face some troubles or privacy concerns. Then stop Safari from asking for your location. It would prove a safer practice to refrain from the internet from concealing your identity. To apply this method, just follow these steps with us coming right up. First, just launch the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down to select the Safari option from the next screen. You need to scroll again until you find the location settings. As you find the location option, tap on it and head to prevent Safari from asking for the location. There you need to select the deny option if it is already set to ask or allow option. Part 3. How to change Safari location on iPhone. Now that you have learned how to enable, disable, or prevent Safari from detecting your location, just think about what happens if you need to access some geo-restricted website. Yes, in that case, spoofing your location would be a great help, which is possible through Wondershare Dr.Fone virtual location. It has the ability to change your location in real time so you can play region-specific games and check weather, forecasts, and news of other places as well. Following are going to be the basic instructions that you need to perform for spoofing your location with this tool. First, install this application directly from its official site and launch it on your computer by following the wizard carefully. Then choose the virtual location tool from the toolbox of Wondershare Dr.Fone. After accessing the virtual location, press the Get Started button to start spoofing the Safari location. Now you can see the current virtual location of your iDevice. From the virtual location map screen, move to the top right horizontal bar and click the first icon of the teleport mode. Later, go to the search bar and type your desired location. Next, you need to hit the Go button and move to your desired destination. To authenticate the location change, press the Move Here button. This will shift you to your admirable spot. Now, finally, you can switch to Safari and browse anything without location restrictions from there. That's all from my side, so let's conclude the discussion with final remarks that enabling, disabling, and preventing Safari from asking the location on your iPhone is a need in today's world because of the rising privacy and communication concerns. So this video also highlighted a location changer, Wondershare Dr.Fone virtual location, as an ultimate solution to access region-specific content on Safari. And I hope that you got the valuable information after watching this stepwise video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay tuned with us. Alright, thanks for watching, stay connected, and until next time, have a good one.